In this video, we will show you how to take the SellEton comma separated values text file and bring that into Excel so you can do more functions. You can add more fields, you could do some totaling of the weights, things like that. So from the previous video, I made a couple of files. So one of these is the SellEton text, and I had not renamed that. So you can see I have 3 records in here. I want to actually open that in Excel and do some functions with it. So I'm going to open, and I'm going to come in here to my SellEton, all files. And it brings up these. So actually we have a delimited. The character is a comma. You can see how it's divided those up. Next. There we've got it. Date and time, sequential number, the weight. It's pounds, it's the gross weight, and here we have our 2 fields. And we could save that as whatever we want. We could add more fields. Maybe this is going to be feed for your UPS or FedEx label, but there you've got it.